Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share with you this free ebook that I put together, which contains the top 10 secrets to staying healthy and fit. And the cool thing about this ebook is that it's completely free. All I ask in return is that you hit that subscribe button, so that we can continue to spread our message of living a healthy and happy life through practical and realistic lifestyle changes. So let's dive in and discover these 10 secrets. Secret No. 1. Nutrition is medicine. The food that we eat has the power to either heal or harm our bodies. When we eat a diet that's rich in whole foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, we provide our bodies with the nutrients they need to function optimally. This anti-inflammatory diet helps control weight, lower the risk of chronic conditions like heart disease and type 2 diabetes, and boost overall energy levels. To put this knowledge into practice, follow the plate method. Half of your plate should be filled with vegetables, a quarter with lean protein, and a quarter with whole grains. Choose low GI foods like oats, quinoa, and beans over refined carbohydrates. Limit your intake of ultra-processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. Check your understanding. Are you ready? 1. What type of diet is best for long-term health? 2. How can we put the plate method into practice? Secret 2. Hydration. Drinking enough water is crucial for maintaining optimal health. Even mild dehydration can negatively impact focus, exercise performance, and trigger feelings of hunger. Aim to drink 30 to 35 milliliters of water per kilogram of body weight daily. Begin your day with a glass of warm water with lemon and add another 0.5 to 1 liter of water per hour of exercise. Set reminders using an app every 2 hours to ensure you drink consistently. Remember, hydration is essential for a healthy and active lifestyle. Secret 3. Daily movement. It's not about hitting the gym every day. Instead, incorporate regular movement into your routine. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate activity per week, such as brisk walking. After meals, try exercise snacks, which include 5-minute sessions of exercises like planks, squats, and push-ups, spread throughout the day. If you work at a desk, stand and move every 30 minutes. Every step counts. Secret 4. Sleep hygiene. Getting enough sleep is crucial for maintaining hormonal balance. Sleep deprivation can disrupt hormones like ghrelin and leptin, leading to increased hunger and cravings, which may cause you to consume 300 to 400 extra calories daily. Establish a bedtime ritual that includes no screens 1 hour before sleep. Keep your bedroom cooler than you think you should, ideally below 72 degrees Fahrenheit, and keep it dark. Go to bed and wake up at the same time each day. Even on weekends, prioritize sleep for a healthier, happier you. Secret 5. Stress management. Chronic stress can lead to elevated cortisol levels, which can increase belly fat, reduce muscle mass, and disrupt blood sugar control. Practice the 4-7-8 breathing technique. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, and exhale for 8 seconds. Meditate for 5 to 10 minutes daily. Journaling can also help you express your feelings and process emotions effectively. Remember, managing stress is essential for overall well-being. Secret 6. Gut microbiome. Nurture your gut health by consuming probiotic foods such as yogurt, kefir, and kimchi, as well as prebiotic foods like bananas, oats, and onions. These foods support a healthy gut microbiome, which is essential for a strong immune system and optimal digestion. Avoid taking unnecessary antibiotics as they can disrupt the balance of bacteria in your gut. Secret 7. Strength training. As we age, we lose muscle mass and strength. Engaging in strength training exercises 2 to 3 times a week can help preserve muscle mass and improve bone density, especially after the age of 30. Include compound movements like squats, push-ups, deadlifts, and planks in your routine. Gradually increase the intensity of your workouts over time. Secret 8. Smart portions. Be mindful of portion sizes. Research shows that people who eat mindfully consume fewer calories without feeling deprived. Take your time during meals, which should last at least 20 minutes. Use smaller plates, which can help reduce calorie intake by 20%. Practice the Okinawa method by stopping when you're 80% full. Secret 9. Consistency. Building lasting habits requires consistency. Start with small, achievable goals like a 5-minute walk daily and gradually expand your routine over time. Track your progress in an app or journal and reward your achievements with non-food related activities. Remember, consistency is key to success. Secret 10. Social support. Having a support system can significantly boost your chances of success. Join a fitness group or share your goals with friends and family who can encourage you along the way. Create a supportive network that can help you stay motivated and achieve your desired lifestyle changes. Don't forget, you're not alone in this journey. In conclusion, long-term health and fitness are not about quick fixes or fad diets. They are the result of consistent daily choices. Start with just 2 or 3 of these secrets and commit to them for 90 days. You'll be amazed at the transformation that can occur in just a few months.